Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walgreens video for you. These deals started on Sunday, November 20th, and they are good up until Saturday, November 26th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to this channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, so for this transaction, I did use a paper booster, get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. For some reason, neither of my Walgreens accounts got a digital spend booster this week. I don't know what Walgreens is doing, but I didn't get not one booster. Let me know down in the comment section if any of you got a digital booster on your Walgreens account. So everything you see here cost me about $8.10, which is fantastic, being that the retail price for this was $42. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're just going to start with this. Nothing special on this, but these are the Hershey Kisses, and these are priced at Walgreens for $2.49, and they are buy one get one 40% off. So you will purchase one at $2.49 and your second one will ring up 40% at $1.49. So $2.49 plus $1.49 is $3.98. When you divide that by 2, it makes these just $1.99 each. And I only grabbed these just so that I could make sure that I reached my $40 spend threshold for my paper booster. And then next up, I grabbed the Finish Powerball Quantum dish tabs, and this is the 15 count. These are priced at Walgreens for $4.99. We do have a $1.50 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $4.99 minus the $1.50 digital coupon, that brought the total down to just $3.49. And then IBOTTA has a rebate for $1.50 back. So $3.49. And then you will receive back that $1.50 from IBOTTA, bringing your total down to just $1.99. And then next up, I purchased both of these Wick twin refills, and these are priced at Walgreens at $2 for $11. We do have a buy one get one free digital coupon on the Walgreens app. That's going to take off a total of $6.50. So you're going to purchase two at $11 total, minus that $6.50 digital coupon. That's going to bring your total down to $4.50. IBOTTA has a rebate for $1.50 back. The limit is 5, but I only purchased 2, so I got back $1.50 times 2, which is $3. So $4.50 minus the $3 that I received from IBOTTA, that brought my total down to just $1.50 for both, or it makes each pack just 75 cents. So this is a really good deal on these Wick essential oils. And then next up, I went ahead and I purchased this Colgate toothpaste priced at $3.99, and then also the Colgate toothbrush at $3.99. So the deal for these items is that when you purchase 2, you will receive a $4 store coupon. So you're going to purchase a toothbrush at $3.99 and Colgate toothpaste at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Colgate toothbrush, and then we also have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Colgate toothpaste. So that's a total of $2 in digital coupons. So $7.98 minus those $2 in digital coupons, that brought my total down to $5.98. And then I did receive back my $4 store coupon for purchasing 2. So with receiving this $4 store coupon, that brought my total down to just $1.98 for both, or it makes each one just 99 cents. And then lastly, I went ahead and I purchased 3 packs of Angel Soft Tissue, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $4.69. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $3 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase 3 at $4.69 each, and that's going to bring your total to $14.07. We do have a $1.50 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $14.07 minus that $1.50 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $12.57. Then you will receive back this $3 registry reward for purchasing 3. With receiving this $3 registry reward, that brought my total down to $9.57 for all 3 packs, or it makes each pack just $3.19 each. So that is everything that I grabbed in this transaction, you guys. So now let me go ahead and show you all my receipts. So there are both of my Hershey's candies. One rung up at $2.49. The second one did ring up at 40% at $1.49. My finished quantum tabs at $4.99. Both of my Air Wicks at $2 for $11. All three of my Angel Soft at $4.69, so $14.07 total. My Colgate toothbrush $3.99, and my Colgate toothpaste at $3.99. Right here where it says point coupon purchase, that is for my paper spin booster. Get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. And then I also used 2 registry rewards on this transaction, 2 $5 registry rewards. There's my $1.50 for my finish, my $1.50 digital for Angel Soft, $1 digital for Colgate toothbrush, $1 digital for Colgate toothpaste, and then there's my $6.50 digital for the Air Wick. So it brought my subtotal to $20.52, but of course I have to add those 2 $5 registry rewards back in. So my subtotal was actually $30.52. In Walgreens cash, as you can see, where it says earned this visit, I did earn back $9.42. So $30.52 minus this $9.42, that brought my total down to $21.10. And of course, this $9 is from my paper spin booster. Get $9 when you spend $40. And then the 42 cents is from the Walgreens everyday points. So $21.10 after receiving back that Walgreens cash rewards. Then I got back my $3 for the Angel Soft, along with my $4 store coupon for the Colgate. So that's a total of $7 in rewards. So $21.10 minus the $7 in rewards that I got back, that brought my total down to $14.10. Then I got back a total of $4.50 from IBOTTA. I got back $3 for both of the Air Wick and $1.50 for the finish. So that's $4.50. So $14.10 minus the $4.50 that I received from IBOTTA, that brought my total down to $9.60. Then I went ahead and submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards, and I got back a total of 1,504 points, which is $1.50. And that $1.50 came from the Colgate. So apparently I was already working towards a rebate for the Colgate on Fetch Rewards, where when you spend $12, you get back $1.20. So with me purchasing both of those Colgate items, that put me over the $12 threshold. So I did get back $1.20 from that, plus some extra Fetch Rewards points, totaling me $1.50. So $9.60 minus that $1.50 that I got back from Fetch Rewards, that brings the grand total down to just $8.10 for all of these items. Remember, the retail price before any coupons came off the total for all of this was $42.02, and I only paid $8.10. So this was a very, very great transaction. So let me know down in the comment section what you guys got from Walgreens this week. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that code linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Also, don't forget to submit your receipt to IBOTTA. If you are not using IBOTTA, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. If you all enjoyed, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down in the comment section, and I will see you all in my next video.